All right, let's say that you're overseeing a portfolio. Let's say you're a sector analyst on a sector team, and you want to figure out when your stock has an earnings release or any other big events that are around that stock. So how do you figure that out? Well, one thing you can do is go into Bloomberg and type in the events function, EVTS. So that's for events. So I'm going to hit that, and that takes a second. And this comes up for like all stocks right now, United States top securities over the next week. So this isn't exactly what you want. You actually want to whittle this list down a little bit, and you also want to extend it. Let's say you want to go through the first quarter of 2025. I'm recording this at the end of 2024, so this is the future for me. And of course, that's going to be way too big of a list. So we need to whittle this down a little bit, and let's focus only on the stocks in our portfolio. So one of the things we can do is go over here to source and go in here, and these are my portfolios. These are my custom portfolios that I've uploaded into PRTU. I've created a video on that to show you how to create a custom portfolio. But this is our student managed investment fund, the Wilcox investment fund. So I'm going to click on that. And now it's going to pull up stocks for the Wilcox fund. It still also has this top security. So I'm going to get rid of these guys. And now this shows you kind of everything over here for the next quarter. So that might be more than what I want. So I really want to focus on, let's just say, earnings releases and maybe call information too. So now I've got all of the earnings dates over here for all of my stocks in the Wilcox fund. This is a fund of 40 stocks. You can see we go down to here to 41. So about 40 stocks in this portfolio. It also has a couple of, things like a couple of phone numbers here. So some of these firms have released the call-in information already. Others will post that as we get closer. But let's say I want to know a little bit about this one. This one comes up February 4th, before the market. You can see that. This is graphic packaging. So let's pull up these guys and let's see if there's any other information on this. And then you'll have some insights. It already gives you some, earnings per share cumulative average growth rate. And it shows you some transcripts from prior calls, some other estimates, things that are coming up, some things for you to start looking into and start tracking. High PE versus its history. So the stock currently trades at 11 times estimated forward earnings per share versus 9.2% historically. So anyways, this is how you start your analysis, trying to figure out when these companies are reporting. EVTS, great function. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because this is where I make finance fun for students. Thank you.